Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to start a BMW 1 Series manual. Push the clutch fully, insert the key, turn to ignition, turn the key or press the start button while clutch is down, release the handbrake, confirm neutral or first gear, slowly release the clutch while applying light throttle to move. I'll walk you calmly through each tactile step so you feel confident and easily avoid stalls. Before you start, take a moment to set the seat and mirrors and check pedals feel normal and free. Confirm the handbrake holds the car and fuel level is enough for a short test drive. Give the engine a quick accessory crank to sense battery and starter health. These few checks save worry later and make your first clutch engagement smooth and safer, especially if you are new to manuals. Bring the car to life by fully depressing the clutch and starting the engine, then keep the clutch down while you select first gear. Release the handbrake, find the bite point with the clutch slowly, and apply gradual throttle so the car moves without stalling. If you feel a stall coming, press the clutch again and restart the sequence calmly. Repeat in a safe space until your coordination feels natural and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.